morning, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another video. Today is Monday. Time check 3 minutes before 9 o'clock. Late na naman tayo sa meetup. Something new today, guys. We are riding as a group on a Monday. Samahan nyo kami today. Makikita nyo na lang kung sino-sino kasama natin. We are on the Vespa today, so it's gonna be a Vespa ride. Yan ang usapan. So hopefully lahat kami naka-Vespa. I just check 2 bars na lang tayo sa Vespa. So need ko na rin magpagas mamaya. Hopefully sila rin para sabay-sabay kami magpagas. So we're hoping na 5 to 6 Vespa tayo today. But like I said, we shall see pagka dumating na tayo dun sa meetup place. Meron ba dyan tusok-tusok? Wala naman tusok-tusok. Alright, nandito na tayo. Kita nyo naman. So far there is 1, 2, 3, 4. Panlima si Jeff. So meron pa tayo dapat makikita mamayang pang-anim. Alright, let's go say hi to the gang. Yo. Mga illegalers. Boom. Did you press it yet?
Grouping initiated. Grouping succeeded.
You hear us, folks? She's up. Searching.
Okay, let's wait.
I know. She's dope. Hello. Yo, no. It's Bogey.
Are we gonna go on a gas break?
Yeah.
Yeah, yes. Galing. Nothing yet? Huh? Did it search for it though?
Hindi ko alam
How many gallons is this?
I mean, if you're empty, like 2.1, but I think it's just 1.
Buksan nyo na yan, i-tap na natin. Put some fuel.
Oh,
Stop it.
what a bitch.
Actually rushed. Oregon.
You can't even wipe it down.
It's lazy.
Doesn't give a shit. Make clean. Good job. Go.
Nang may araw at walang trabaho.
That's alright. How does it make a board?
Yeah. Expired. Mine is expired.
Okay, so it's what is it? I just charge you 10. It's $10 for each.
10 each. Got it. Good. Well, let's go.
60, okay. Alright.
Diyan ako na. Meron akong cash dito. 20. Ha? Sige.
Zero na lang.
Just pay me later.
Okay. Oh, yeah. Hawakan mo na yan.
Ito?
Yeah.
Sige, sige.
Complete.
60. Okay. Let's go! We're in!
Thanks, Nino! Oh, kunin mo yung resibo mo, dog.
Ay, teka. Tanong natin, are you gonna vote for Trump?
Gago, sige. Get the fuck. Get out of here. Sabihin yan.
Ayos, pasok tayo guys. We Gucci.
1, 2.
Okay.
Picture!
Let me take a picture of you taking a picture.
Sige. 1, 2.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Sir Blacks. Sabi niya, pay me later. Later this year.
Later this year. There's 2 months left.
Thank you. Left till right.
Doon tayo sa first stop. Let's go on the first stop right there. On top.
Right dyan, Depa. Pagka... Banking dito eh.
Is that what you mean, bro?
No. Tandaan niyo, wala kayo mga elbow pads, ha?
Stay till the morning, tell me you want it. You know I'll go on and on, cause you're too important. I'm honest, too honest. Know if you touch me, I'm on it. Just say the word and I'll give you all I can. Don't act like this ain't a good time. I'll be in a lifetime. It's been like this for a while. I gave you all my life.
Hey, change your leverage now, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, damn, shit, my bad. Alright, don't go. Rhizoma. And breakfast na.
Brunch. Well, yeah. Maaga pa pala.
Brunchy. Oh, okay, folks, let's go. Yeah, folks. Outside line.
Yeah, boy.
Sabi ni Jacques, Apex kahapon, Apex din ngayon.
Like that. Oh, yeah. proud of proximity. Time for brunch, folks. What are we gonna eat?
I don't know yet.
You're gonna eat spaghetti?
Chili.
Chili? You have chili here?
Yeah.
Oh shit. Alright, let's go eat.
Busog na kayo? Busog na.
Busog ng busog.
Busog sila, guys. Hey, that's nice though. We can put that in the multi-strada, right?
Yeah, we do anything. Hey, this is Vespa Bogey. I'll be cutting out from here. See you guys later on, alright?
Later, brother.
Later, Vespa Pogi.
Bye. I love you.
Alright, alright. Bye, folks.
Bye, folks.
See you guys tonight.
Bye.
Kailangan tayo mag-switch sa Jones para may daan si Jeff. Kailangan Jones.
Hindi, saan na tayo? Smoke ranch ulit, parang kanina.
Smoker Ranch.
Umihiga si Mr. Sarap. Ulo na, ulo.
Inaantok.
Ito, baka pag-iising si Homeboy.
Doon tayo sa doon tayo sa mas maliit na street, ya. Oh, wag kang lilipat, Jack. Wag kang lilipat.
Yep. Kinaster. Oh.
Open. Pinagbabagal to.
May inipin si Bomac ko na yun. Sabi ng Civic, oh, nandyan din kayo. At kasi wala ka sa harap namin.
That's it. Finish na yung ride natin. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go.
Mike, nandun kami sa cemetery.
Okay daw.
Tapos ano,
Tawagan mo.
tayo after.
Text mo kapag alis na kayo ng bahay nyo kasi baka may delay kayo ng konti niyan.
Okay tayo.
Thank you guys.
Thank you.
Good ride.
Thank you.
Good ride.
Thank you.
Battery status low.
Alright, tapos na ang ating ride. There was 6 of us, I think, no? So Mr. Sarap, Omar TV, Jeff, Jacques, Pogi, and me. So 6 kami nag-ride. Umikot lang kami sa RedRock Scenic Loop. Then we ate lunch at Zippy's. And now we are finally home. So that's all she wrote for today. Off tayo ng 3 days. Buti yung ride na ipasok na agad. Alright, thank you guys for coming with us today. We'll see you guys on the next video. So hopefully may ride pa uli in the next couple of days. As you can see sa video natin kanina, medyo windy nga talaga all day. So I think it's gonna get cold for the next couple of days. Wala kaming pickleball kasi mahangin. And who knows, baka mag-ride tayo. But yeah, until then, we'll see you guys in the next one, okay? Thank you. God bless and be a blessing to one another. Peace.